Hey, we are here. Loralex Tax Services. We are here. We rise from the ashes. Okay, no theatrics needed. So anyway, I'm Sean Beaton, enrolled agent with Loralex Tax Services, and we are here to help you out. Okay, we just want to be a source of help for you when it comes to your tax situation, how it affects your home, how it affects your income, how it affects your deductions, how it affects your children. Your children are in college. How does that affect you? All these types of situations in the tax code. That's what we are here for. Okay, so we don't want to waste your time. As you can see, wasted time is worse than wasted money. I don't want to waste your time. I want to help you with exactly what you need help with. Okay, so first of all, about me. Again, I said my name is Sean Beaton, enrolled agent. I'm working towards my CPA credentials. I work with Loralex Tax Services. I retired a couple years back. As I was there, I recognized that I really needed to get deeper into finances, deeper into the tax code, deeper into understanding taxation, because that's a thing that people run from all the time. You always hear about stories of tax evasion. People, they just don't want to, they don't want to understand what it is. They don't understand it. It's scary. You hear a knock at the door, and if it's IRS, everybody goes and hides and runs to the other side, runs to the other side of the house like that family member that nobody wants to talk to. But that's what I'm saying. It's something that's huge. So I'm like, hey, why not attack it and see what it's about? So I dove deeper into it, got my master's degree in accountancy, and worked on my credentials, worked on my enrolled agent credential. So then also working on my CPA credential. So doing this while I was working at in the other career was very important to me. So it was a double duty thing that I was doing it, but I'm pretty determined, and I'm going to get in there and piece it out and make sure I can get an understanding so I can help others with their taxation situation. So I want to help you. Okay. So it's kind of like if you go to the gym, and you see a person lifting, they're doing bench press or they're doing whatever, and you can see it's a lot of heavy weight. You see, excuse me, you can see that it's a lot of heavy weight. So they may need a spot. They need someone to help them pick that weight up. So you are there hoping that they're going to ask you to come over. Hey, can you give me a spot? Okay, so that's what we want to do. We want to give you that spot because the tax code is huge. It's, the biggest question might be, why do we have to pay taxes? And we all know that it's our civic duty, and we know that, either you agree with it or don't agree with it, but it's a civic duty that's written down, 16th Amendment, that the 16th Amendment of the Constitution, that gave Congress the right to levy taxes. And then also they had also given charge to IRS to be the one to enforce it. So that's why we don't like to see IRS letters. We don't like to see anything from the IRS because we know they're coming to collect. So, but yeah, Title 26 of the U.S. Code lays out all of the tax code, and it's so many different additions, articles, different changes, different things. It's huge, vast. So that's what I want to do for you. Okay, I want to get all of that nasty stuff behind the couch that nobody wants to go to, put it in here, calculate it out, give it to you in more layman's terms, that way you understand exactly what's going on and you can understand the reason why. Okay, so we know that we're supposed to pay taxes, and so those are the things that we already know going in. So we want to help you. As I said, we want to give you that spot. We want to lift that heavy weight off of you so you don't have to decipher tax code and understand changes in tax code. That's my job. You don't have to do that. Get in touch with me so we can help you, so you don't have to worry about all that stuff. You can have a clear understanding and a clear path to understanding of exactly what is going on and how it affects your situation. So we've got a few ways that you can get in touch with us. Okay, we do have a website, okay, which is www.loralextaxservice.com. Okay, within that website, make sure you put service, don't put services. But make sure, but see, when you go in there, you're able to go to the very bottom of the website, and there's an area where you can put your contact information and a question or anything, and it will shoot us an email, discreet email. That way we can take care of you and answer you back, and you can get the answers that you need. We also have the Facebook page here. We also have an Instagram page as well, and the YouTube channel. Okay, so you can also shoot us directly emails at sebeaton@loralextaxservices.net. Okay, shoot us an email there. We can help. I can answer your questions. We can go through it. So that's what I want to do. Send me your information. Send me your questions. When you get IRS letters, make calls on those for you. We can do representation. Our first thing is we do tax preparation for individuals as well as businesses. So we can prepare your taxes. We can make sure that we can get that straight for you, explain that to you, so you know what's going on line by line if needed, and get power of attorneys for you to represent you. Before the IRS, we got all of it. We got the whole gamut. So whatever you need, get in touch with us so we can help you and give you that spot. Okay? We'll be putting more content out each month, so we can kind of help you on certain matters, certain basic tax situations, so we can build your level of knowledge on what is actually going on between January and April 15th. Okay? All right, we will talk to you soon. Have a great day and Happy New Year to all of you. See you soon.